ideas as Father's Day approaches. I have also made some beautiful gift ideas that you can give not only to your father but also to your loved ones. So yeah, without wasting time, let's get started. So for this first DIY, which is a great gift idea for everyone, take a printout of any of your favorite photo and some popsicle sticks and start pasting these popsicle sticks at the back side. Now cut it down using a knife or scissors or any paper knife. Now take a piece of shimmer cloth and wrap it up and bind it using a plaster. And then take a ribbon and tie this. This gift is very memorable and you can give this to anyone and ask them to solve this puzzle. It keeps them engaged and entertained. And yes, you are done. Your pretty photo puzzle gift is ready. So I have made this next DIY gift idea is for Father's Day, but you can also give this to anyone and on any occasion. So for this DIY, take a piece of cardboard or a sandboard and make a frame out of it. And now take any design paper and stick this frame on this design paper using a Fevicol. And now take a printout of any of your favorite photo with your dad and clip it here or paste it here. Now stick a paper and write Happy Father's Day. So to enhance the look of this frame, take a heart-shaped glittery foam sheet and paste it here. Yes, you are almost done. So now to give a finishing look, make a tiny bow shape using a jute thread and paste it here. That's it, your Father's Day gift is ready. It's very easy and also a completely last-minute gift idea. So the next DIY is scratch of cards, which is very fun and lovely. I have made some love coupons. You can go with your own choice, like you can make mother's coupons or father's coupons like that. Now to make a glossy surface on the coupons, take a transparent sticky tape and cover it. And now make a solution of 1 spoon of silver acrylic color and half spoon of dishwasher and coat it completely. And now let it dry for 1 hour at least. Now take a piece of red color paper and stick these coupons on it. And now take another paper and write scratch to win coupons. And finally, make holes and then tie all these coupons together using a ribbon. This is very simple and I really loved it. This is again a DIY greeting card, which is really a special gift for Father's Day. So for this greeting card, take a black A4 sheet and overlap the edges. And now fold it like this and then cut the edges using a scissors. Now stick the edges using a Fevistick or a Fevicol and now take a white paper of the same size and insert it and take a bow which is in red color and stick it here. And now take a black piece of paper and paste it here to make a pocket. And here comes the unique and fun part of this greeting card. Instead of writing the message directly on this paper, record it and download your audio clip in QR code format and take a printout and paste it here. And then write, scan this QR code, a secret message for you. So now take a piece of paper and write Happy Father's Day. And now finally make buttons out of papers and stick it here. Yes, it's done. This really looks beautiful and I would definitely ask you guys to try this out. So for the last DIY, it's a positive gift idea, 52 reasons why I love you. So for this, take a glass jar and black and red A4 sheet color papers and start writing the reasons why you love that person and roll it and tie it with a thread. Once you are done writing 52 reasons on each paper, put them inside a jar. And now take a piece of paper and write down pick one a week so that all the year long I can remind you of the reasons that I love you. And now tie it with a jute thread by covering the jar using a piece of shimmer cloth, and that's it. I gifted this to my husband for our anniversary and he loved it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you won't miss my future videos. And if you guys recreate any of these gift ideas, I would love to see them. So please share your pictures on social media and follow me over there.